In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Saved Segments library in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into it. You might be wondering what a Saved Segments library is and why it matters. Essentially, this feature allows you to save particular segments of your contacts based on specific criteria. It simplifies your marketing efforts by helping you quickly access targeted lists without having to recreate filters every single time. So, whether you're sending personalized emails or designing campaigns, this tool can be a game changer. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section on the left side menu. This is where you can see all your contact lists. Now, to create a segment, click on the Manage Fields button in the top right corner. You'll find the option to create a new segment. This is the crucial step where you define your audience. Think about what criteria you want to use. For example, you might want to segment your contacts by geographic location, purchase history, or engagement levels. It's all about targeting the right people at the right time. Once you click Create Segment, you'll see a variety of filters you can apply. You can choose to filter by attributes such as tags, custom fields, or other segments. Let's say you want to target contacts who have made a purchase in the last 30 days. You can select the appropriate criteria and set the conditions accordingly. After applying your filters, take a moment to review your segment. Make sure it reflects the right audience that you want to reach out to. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the options, but focusing on your marketing objectives will help you stay on track. Now, once your segment is set up and you're satisfied with the filtering, look for the option to save this segment. You'll need to give it a memorable name so you can easily identify it later. This is an important step because saving it ensures that you can access this specific group of contacts quickly without having to redefine the filters each time. With your segment saved, let's move on to using the Saved Segments library. Head back to the Contacts area and click on the Saved Segments library option. Here, you'll see all of the segments you've previously saved. Finding the segment you need should be straightforward. Just scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have multiple saved segments. When you locate your desired segment, you'll notice that you can do a variety of things with it. For example, you can send a targeted email campaign directly to these contacts. Just click on the segment and then choose the email option. This will allow you to create a relevant message tailored to the audience you've selected. Additionally, you can use your saved segments for automation. By connecting your segments to automated workflows, you can ensure that your messaging stays consistent and timely without having to constantly monitor your lists. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate and make the most out of the Saved Segments library in ActiveCampaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd love for you to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.